Hello everyone, and welcome to our first IDZ News episode of 2024. The year is just getting started and there's a ton of stuff happening, so we appreciate you joining us for a few short moments. This month, we're bringing you 3 topics to explore, and as always, you'll be able to learn more about everything in this video by following the links in the description. For topic number 1, let's take a look at the Intel Liftoff Program for startups. Through Intel Liftoff, startups are able to access the computational power they need to solve their most critical technical challenges. The program also serves as a springboard for collaboration where startups can form partnerships to refine each other's offerings and enhance their customer service. Program members get access to world-class technical expertise, training, cutting-edge technology, development resources, co-marketing, and networking opportunities. There are a couple of membership options that you can choose between to better fit your company's needs and priorities. Follow the link in the description to learn more and watch a couple of the videos featuring AI startups as they describe their experiences with the program. There are no fees, no equity requirements, and no technology restrictions, so prepare to break orbit and apply today. Moving on to topic number 2, the Intel Graphics Performance Analyzer's 2023.4 release was released in December and is ready for you to download for free. For those that don't know, Intel Graphics Performance Analyzers, or Intel GPA, provides tools for graphics analysis and optimizations for making games and other graphics-intensive applications run even faster. The tools support the platforms based on the latest generations of Intel Core and Intel Atom processor families for applications developed for Windows or Ubuntu. In the latest release of Graphics Frame Analyzer, there's an all-new metrics tab optimized for Intel Arc, including aggregation for Xe core-based metrics. Metrics pinning has been replaced with individual metric or group of metrics selection. You can easily find any available metric with fuzzy searching. You can share metrics presets across PCs. We've enabled Shader Profiler for mesh and amplification shaders, and non-PSO states lists where you can modify variable rate shading parameters and see corresponding results. In Intel GPA Framework, you will now get a detailed analysis of the platform where the stream was captured using the upgraded GPA Stream Info command. You'll be able to take screenshots on demand without scheduling them on the command line using the screenshot layer, and it has support for Vulkan SDK version 1.3.268.0. Check out the release notes and watch the associated video to learn more. Moving on, topic number 3 looks at a blog from Scott Baer as he shares the top stories from Intel Labs in 2023. Our colleagues within Intel Labs are very busy, and they've covered a ton of ground with contributions in database research, artificial intelligence, computer vision, and deep learning. Their work has shown advancements in quantum computing and integrated photonics, as well as the release of the Intel Quantum Software Development Kit and the quantum research chip Tunnel Falls. Read the blog to really dig into all of the top stories. That's all the time we've got for today, so thank you for joining me, and as always, remember to like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel, and I'll see you in March.